guys, good afternoon. Yan guys, dito sa Gulf of America o Gulf of Mexico guys, nakita mo yung barko guys. Yan ang tanker guys, madaan at saka yung isang oil rig at saka isang platform guys. Kita mo yun guys. Yun, mayroong yachts doon at saka yung platform. Yan guys, yan. Ito yung barko guys na oil rig na survey ng mga langis sa ilalim ng dagat. At then yan ang tanker. Yan guys, ay pakita ko naman yung isang platform guys. Ayan, tatlong links yan guys, natawag sa TLP. Mayroon pang isang platform guys, ibang klase guys, para sa alien. Yan, yan. Hindi pa yan tapos guys, mayroon daw ilalagay pa dyan na isang module para i-lifting guys. Yan, dito ang view, maganda. Ayan guys, ang weather. Almost 2 weeks guys na bad weather dito. Mayroon pa rin kaming pasok pero wala siyang overboard or yung underwater na trabaho or yung hangar. Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is DJ Freeman Vlog. Mabuhay, God bless us and more power. Bye bye, see you my next vlog.